Hello, I'm Thali. I'm 18 years old. I'm studying at the Academy of Finance. Now I'm going to talk about my hometown. But first, let me ask you a question. Do you want to try YouTube with me? That's amazing. Then I think you will like my hometown. Well, my hometown is located in central region of Vietnam. It takes you about 6 hours to move from Hanoi. Firstly, I have to say that local people in my hometown are very cheerful and friendly. They always welcome visitors to come and explore this wonderful land. Besides, if you are a food lover, Nghệ An province is a good choice for you because when you come here, you can try many delicious foods such as usual rice noodle, in addition, if you are really into traveling, my hometown is a place that you cannot miss. You can go sightseeing to many famous plaques of interest. For example, Angkor Wat, Town, Kola Beach, home of Empress Hoàng Thị Loan. Norway, Nghệ is a developing province, so we have a lot of modern places such as becoming the Sigurvin Center. In the future, if you have a chance, I suggest that you should visit my hometown in the summer because the weather is very nice and you can do many activities at beach. That's in my hometown. Before finishing my talk, I just want to say that I'm Robin on the way welcomes you. Bye.